Today's topic is linear differential equation with variable coefficient. In this we have two methods, Cauchy homogeneous linear equation and Legendre linear equation. So Cauchy homogeneous is nothing but Euler type or Cauchy Euler type. So the general format for the equation is nothing but differential equation x power n dn of y divided by dx power n a1 into x power n minus 1 d of n minus 1 of y divided by dx power n minus 1 plus a n y equal to right hand side capital F of x or small f of x. So what you have to do in this method means we don't know the constant variable coefficient, we cannot solve it. We know the solution for constant coefficient type 1, type 2, type 3, all the 6 types. So we know the procedure for solving constant coefficient. So what I am going to do, the variable coefficient converting to constant coefficient, if I use this conversion, then it will be converted as a constant coefficient. Find out your solution, and finally if I replace it, I will get the variable coefficient solution. That only I am going to do in this problem. So the first replacement what I have to do means, when it is for Euler type or Cauchy type first method, x should be replaced by e to the power z, some other variable. All x variable I am going to convert to z. Question will be x only given. Now I am going to convert it as ez. Find out the solution. Complementary function I'm going to find out. I'm going to find out the particular integral. Okay. The solution I'm going to find out. Okay. So both I'm going to add and write. So y is the solution. So complementary function plus particular integral is the solution. So again replacement I'm going to z only I have converted. Now z will be converted and change and write in terms of x itself. So I will get the solution for a variable coefficient. That only we are going to do in this. The conversion is nothing but x is replaced by e to the power z. Take a log on both the sides. Log x is equal to z. So x into dy by dx is nothing but some other variable. Already d we have used. D by dx is nothing but d by dx means it's a d. Okay, differentiation d. But some other variable I'm going to convert d dash. D dash means don't think it is a differentiation. Not it is differentiation. Difference of writing. Okay. So x into dy by dx is nothing but d dash into y. D x square into d square y by dx square is nothing but d dash into d dash minus 1 into y. Okay. So now the first problem, solve x squared d squared. The abbreviation form it is there. First I will write it in the short form. In short form, when I write it, I have to write it as per this. So it's nothing but this I have to use. Okay, this both I have to use and write it. X squared d squared y by dx squared is nothing but d dash into d dash minus 1 y minus d dash y plus y equal to 0. Y everywhere common. So d dash into d dash minus 1 minus d dash plus 1 into y equal to 0. So what I am going to take, I'll use some other color so that you will not get confusion. Okay. X, you have to take it to be x is nothing but e to the power z, and z equal to log x. We have to replace it. Okay. So now if I have right hand side means I have to replace it and write. I don't have anything, so I'm not able to replace it. Leave it as it is. So simplify this. So it's nothing but when I simplify d dash squared minus d dash already 1 minus d dash plus 1 into y equal to 0. So when I simplify it, it's nothing but d dash squared minus 2 d dash plus 1 into y equal to 0. Now we have to write the complementary function. So complementary function. So when I write it, for this first I need to write the auxiliary equation. So auxiliary equation when I write it, m. So acceleration, how we have to write it means replace d dash by m. So m squared minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. So the roots are 1 and 1. Both are 1. So the complementary function, what I have to write? Ax plus b you write. But I should not write x. Reason? Now everything from the starting I have converted with respect to z. Az plus b into e to the power z. Okay, not x. Okay, the mistake you write here x. It will be wrong. Okay, complementary function completed. Particular integral, in this we don't have particular integral because right hand side 0. Right hand side 0 means no particular integral. Now solution will be y is nothing but complementary function particular integral az plus b into e to the power z. Only the solution. But I should not write it in z. I should write it in terms of x itself. So z is nothing but log x plus b as it is. E to the power z is nothing but log x. Now you check the answer. It is in terms of x. Okay, completed. One more question. Second problem. Right hand side we have in this. So same procedure only. So when I write it, x square d square minus xd plus 1 equal to 0. First I will write what I am going to take. X is nothing but e to the power z. Z is nothing but log x. X into d is nothing but d dash. X squared into d squared is nothing but d dash into d dash minus 1. This 4 term only you have to write it for all the problem whatever it is asked in the Euler type or Cauchy type. Both are same method only. This compulsorily you have to write it. So now substitute in this given question. It's nothing but d dash into d dash minus 1 minus d dash plus 1 into y equal to sine log x is nothing but z. Okay. It is a which type it is? Type 2. Sine z is a type 2. So left hand side first is all. It's a d dash squared minus 2d dash plus 1 into y equal to sine z. Okay, so now when I saw write the auxiliary equation, m squared minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. So m is nothing but 1 and 1. So the complementary function, don't forget to write az plus b e to the power z. Okay. Complementary function written particular integral 1 divided by d dash squared minus 2d dash plus 1 into sine z. So type 2, what is the rule? D dash squared is replaced by type 2 means what is the procedure? D dash squared will be replaced by minus a squared. So it is 1. So minus 1. So when I replace it, so 1 divided by d dash square only minus 1 minus 2 dash plus 1 into sine z. Okay. Plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. So minus 1 by 2 into 1 by d dash into sine z. So d dash what it is? D dash means differentiation with respect to z. Okay. Differentiation with respect to z. So what is the meaning? 1 by means it's integration with respect to z. Okay, 1 by means 1 by d dash is nothing but integration with respect to z. So when I integrate it, sine z is nothing but minus cos z. So minus cos z is nothing but cos z is a particular integral. Okay, so now solution is nothing but complementary function plus particular integral cos z divided by 2. Okay. So you should not leave it as it is. Finally, you have to replace and write. For that, 2 or 3 marks will be allotted. A into z, you have to replace it. Z is nothing but log x plus b into e to the power z is nothing but x plus cos z. So 1 by 2 cos z is nothing but log x. So completed. This is our final solution. Check throughout the equation, it is in terms of x. Yes, it is in terms of x. So solution completed. Thank you.